Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that and supporting the channel. Okay, today we're going to create a subroutine. I'm going to call it delete folder. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete a folder on the desktop. Delete folder, I'll call this. We're going to use user input to do that as well. So a pretty straightforward program. So first of all, I'll just show you. Okay, this is my folder called X that we're going to delete on here. Right. Okay, so I'm going to create my path to it. So we need a path. We need to tell the program exactly where this folder is going to be, so we can actually delete it. It's going to be in users, mark, desktop. Okay, this is the path of my computer. It certainly won't be the path of your computer, so you'll have to find out what your computer path is, because if you just type this in and use this, it will throw an error. It won't work. Anyway, let's carry on here. So STDIN, which is going to be change directory. So we're going to change directory to the path above. Okay, and now we're going to print some info for the user. This is called delete folder. Okay, and now we're going to get some input from the user. So we're going to type in my scalar entry is equal to standard input. And then we're going to chomp it. Chomp scalar entry. Right, and now we're going to use a conditional here. And we're going to use this. So if exists. So that's going to be scalar entry. So the user is going to type in the folder that they want to delete. So if the entry there actually exists, we're going to do something. Let's just knock this down here. Let's make this look a little prettier, shall we? Let's just bring that in a little bit. What's that all about there? Right, okay. So now I'm going to print out some info for the user. So print scalar entry exists, add a deleting folder. Okay, and we use the RMDIR command for that, which stands for remove directory, and that's going to be entry. Okay, and here we go on to the else statement. So if you can't do that because the directory doesn't exist, we're going to print some information that the reader can read. Not the reader, the user. The user can read. So that's going to be scalar entry doesn't exist. Okay, and a new line there. Okay, now all we have to do is to run the program, and we have to call it, and we call it by its name, which is called delete folder. Okay, then just save it, and let's run the program. Okay, so we've got our prompt there, delete folder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete folder X. So let's just take that down a little bit there. So that's folder X that we can see above here. So I'm going to hit folder X. Okay, folder X is gone. So let's try it with something else and see if we get the error message. Okay, so we know there's not a folder called this, and it says doesn't exist. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you liked that. I hope it was useful, and if it was, make sure you hit that subscribe button and drop me a comment, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.